Hello, my dear students. In this video, I will tell you about the chord properties and question based on them. In earlier video, already I have explained about the properties, but I am again explaining in short. What is the chord property? When you have a circle with center O, chord AB, if a line is drawn that is perpendicular to AB, that like OM, then this perpendicular line will divide the chord AB in two equal parts. AM is equal to MB. This is the chord property. Converse of this theorem also says that if a chord is divided by a line AB or OM and this passes through the center, then the line OM always perpendicular to AB. Similarly, if a perpendicular line which divides the chord AB in two equal parts always passes through the center. So there are the three theorems altogether. First one, passes a line which perpendicular to the chord AB and passes through the center will divide the chord AB in two equal parts. And the second theorem, if a line which is passes through the center and divide the chord AB in two equal parts will be perpendicular to the AB. And the third one, if the line is perpendicular to AB and divide the in two equal parts will always pass through the center. तो ये जो theorems हैं, according to these theorems, we have the questions. And already I have told in the earlier video the some questions from the exercise 15.1. This is basically I have taken the reference of this book, Understanding ICSE Mathematics Class 9, and this is the question number 10 in your book, 15.1 exercise. In this question written here, in a triangle ABC which is inscribed in a circle and AB is equal to AC, is isosceles triangle with the side 12.5 cm and the base BC is equal to 24 cm. You have to find the radius of that circle. So how to find the radius? As you know, if the triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle, it means like this. ABC is the triangle, this is the circle, and the center of circle is here. If you add this, AB is equal to AC. If you draw the perpendicular from A to the BC, that is AD is the perpendicular. By the isosceles, isosceles triangle, the property of the isosceles triangle, if you draw a line which is perpendicular from A to the opposite side BC, the BC will divide into equal parts. This is the property of isosceles triangle, not the other property. But because the triangle is inscribed in the circle and the chord property, this BC is also the chord. It means the perpendicular line and the chord BC divided by two equal parts. This perpendicular line always passes through the center. This is the chord property. मतलब ये कि जब हम A से परपेंडिकुलर यहाँ पे डाल रहे हैं BC पे, तो दिस इज द आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है, क्योंकि ये एक प्रॉपर्टी उसकी लग रही है कि डिवाइड द अपोजिट साइड इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स, लेकिन साथ में एज वेल एज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द सर्कल कि अगर कोई परपेंडिकुलर लाइन डिवाइड हो गई किसी भी पार्ट को इनटू इक्वल पार्ट, इट विल ऑलवेज पास थ्रू द सेंटर. So this is the center, suppose. Now you find the length of AB. So in the triangle ABB by using Pythagoras theorem, this is the 12 root 5. This whole is 24, so this will be 12 and this will be 12. So AB square is equal to AB square minus BD square. So this will be AB square is 12 root 5 whole square minus 12 square. This is equal to 144 into 4 are 576. So AB is equal to 24 centimeter. If it is 24, AD is 24 and AO is radius, that is true because it is a circle from center to this point is the radius. So what will be the length of the OD? That is 24 minus R, because this full is 24, so OD is equal to 24 minus R. Now join OB. And what is OB? OB is also radius. दिखाई दे रहा है ना? O से B, O से A, O से C, these are the radius. So in the triangle OBD, again you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle OBD, always mention the name of the triangle. In triangle OBD, OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. So R square, BD is 12 square and this is 24 minus R whole square. Simplify minus 48R and plus R square. R square cancel and 48R is equal to 720. So R is equal to 720 by 48, that is equal to 15 centimeter. This is the radius of the circle. So, using the theorem or property, using the property of the isosceles triangle, using the Pythagoras theorem, इतनी सारी चीजें ले करके एक एक्सपेंशन ऑफ a minus b whole square r a plus b whole square, it means you should know everything about this question, because if you know the expansion, if you know the properties of the triangle, properties of the quadrilateral, then you can solve. Otherwise, it is difficult to solve the question. Now, we take one more question. There is a question number 12. एक क्वेश्चन है जिसमें कि ये लिखा है कि इन ए सर्कल AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter and M is a point on the AB. M is a point on the AB such that AM is equal to 18 centimeter and MB is equal to 8 centimeter. It is given 18 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the length of the shortest chord through M. Length of the shortest chord through M. तो क्या ये shortest chord है? ये भी through M, but no, this is the biggest one. Because AB is a diameter. अब कोई भी diameter होगा किसी भी सर्कल में तो वो biggest chord माना जाता है. This is also the type of chord. You have to find the length of shortest chord. अब shortest क्या चीज होगी? Shortest क्या हम ऐसे ले सकते हैं? This is not the shortest. Can you take like this? No. ये भी shortest नहीं है. Shortest means जब भी shortest की मतलब बात आए तो you have to draw the perpendicular on that point. Perpendicular जो distance होती है that is considered as the shortest. तो ये हम perpendicular M से जा रहे हैं. This is the perpendicular. This chord CD is the shortest. और कोई भी shortest को ही नहीं सकते. Not possible in this question. In this question या कहीं भी when anybody talks about the shortest distance, so you just tell that the perpendicular distance is the shortest. How to find this one? Because AB is the diameter, so it means the center will be on the diameter. ये तो true है, universal कि center तो diameter पे ही होगा. O is the center. Let O is the center. Then join OC. When we join OC, we will get a triangle OMC because this is the 90 degree. So it is the right angle triangle. AM is equal to 18 centimeter. MB is equal to 8 centimeter. So what we will tell about the AB? AB is AM plus MB. So AB is equal to 18 plus 8 is equal to 26 centimeter. And what is AB? This is the diameter. So what is radius? सबको पता है radius क्या होता है? Radius is the just half of the diameter. So it means the radius is 13 centimeter. जब रेडियस निकल आए बहुत सारी चीजें और मिले. Can you tell the OM in the figure? OM. What is OB? Radius. OB अगर हमारे पास 13 है, MB as you know this is 8. This is 1 8 and this is 13. What you will say about the OM? OB minus MB is equal to 13 minus 8 means 5 centimeter. So this one is the 5 OM. What is OC? This is also the radius. So 13 centimeter. Now can you find the CM? Yes. Why? Because it is the right angle triangle and you can use the Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle OCM, CM square is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. And then you will get CM square is equal to 169 minus 25. CM square 144. So CM is equal to 12 centimeter. But it is only the half of the curve. This is perpendicular and passing through the center. It means it will divide in two equal parts. Means CM is equal to MD by using chord property. अब जब ये पता है what is the length of the CD? 2 into CM means 2 into 12. So this is equal to 24 centimeter and you should write here by chord property. This is the method to solve such type of questions. By this way, if you go through the exercise and try to solve the other questions, you can. There are some more questions, so try yourself, and then I'll tell you in the next video. Keep on watching. Thank you.